Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can create a chrome text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, open up Illustrator with any canvas size. Now, using the text tool, write anything of your liking and select its font size and style. Change its color to gray. Then go to the object option in the top bar and select Expand. Now press OK in the window that pops up. Now resize your text and place it according to your liking. Now with your text selected, go to the Effects option in the top bar and select Radial Blur under the Blur option. Make sure the blur method is spin. Now choose any amount according to your liking and click on OK. Now go the Object option in the top bar again and select Rasterize and click on OK. Now go to the Effects option in the top bar and select the Chrome option under Sketch. And there you have it. Play with the parameters as you like it and click on OK. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.